Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to WeddingStats.org, the average cost to rent a tux is $196. However, some designer tuxes can cost between $400 and $500 to rent. Most tuxedo rental packages include the coat, pants, shirt, vest, neckwear, shoes and stud and cufflink set. 30 March 2015.
Take our lead.
2 months. Typically, giving yourself at least 2 months before your event is desired, but you can order and receive your rental in as little as 3 weeks before your event. If you are looking to rent a tuxedo for your wedding, make sure to take advantage of Generation Tux's free home try-on program.
Take our lead.
Your tuxedo rental begins when it arrives 10 to 14 days before your event. You can keep your tuxedo for up to 3 days after your event date. That means a typical tuxedo rental can last between 13 to 17 days. That's much longer than any store will let you keep their tuxedo. The 28th of May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.